Understanding Program Partners, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the term program partners. This phrase can be quite common in various contexts, especially in business and academic settings. Understanding it will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also help you in professional and educational environments. So, let's dive in. Program partners is a compound noun, meaning it's made up of two words that combine to express a single idea. Program refers to a planned series of activities, events, or a course of study, whereas partners suggests individuals or entities who collaborate or work together. So, when we talk about program partners, we're referring to entities that work together in a specific program or initiative. To better understand program partners, let's look at some examples. 1. Educational programs. In universities, program partners might refer to different schools or departments that collaborate to offer a joint course or degree. 2. Business ventures. In the corporate world, companies might partner together for a joint venture or a specific project, becoming program partners. 3. Nonprofit initiatives. Nonprofit organizations often collaborate with other entities to run community programs or social initiatives. Understanding the term program partners is crucial because it often appears in formal and professional contexts. It signifies a level of cooperation and collaboration that is essential in today's interconnected world. Whether you're in school, at work, or participating in a community initiative, knowing this term can help you better understand and engage in collaborative efforts. And that's a wrap on program partners. We hope this video has clarified the meaning and usage of this important phrase. Remember, understanding such terms not only enhances your English vocabulary but also equips you with knowledge that's useful in real-world contexts. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.